Hello, and this is Big Data's effect on equality in Sweden, presented with Xmind, #1 mind map software in the world. So, basically, the way Big Data can help inequality in Sweden is its use of progression recorded. What that exactly means now is that with Big Data, they can now record the progression that Sweden has made in equality. Interesting fact though, Sweden, according to the World in Data website, has experienced 100% equality from 2018 to 2021. They're just world leaders in the aspect of equal rights for all. Nextly is correlating factors. Big Data can be used to take in a large amount of information. That way you can use algorithms and better analyze the information to see what other correlating factors might contribute to inequality. For example, according to the World in Data, the biggest contributing factor to inequality is actually poverty. Right now, that is the #1 factor that relates to inequality in a region. Identification of condensed sectors. So, talking about correlating factors, this leads into the identification of where exactly inequality is taking place. Being able to identify the regions, or just as simple as a specific town that this may be taking place, can better help address and be able to let people act upon this information. Gathering all the information, figuring out where and what's causing it, is the biggest issues that we are facing right now for inequality in Sweden. As it's very minor there, it still is present in some aspects. Lastly, Big Data can be used to help to address these issues. Being able to collect all the information being able to collect a large amount of information, not all, will help be able to address these issues by looking at the 3 previous factors we talked about: location, correlating factors, and the pressing issues. Using all of these 3 with the information you gather from Big Data will go a long way. I'd like to say thank you for watching my video, and I hope this was informative. Please leave a comment below, and I hope you have a good day.